Hi guys, so today we have a delivery. Isa, do you know who the delivery is from?
No.
It says the courier guy.
Korea?
Yeah. So Isa is going to open it. Come, let's just do this. It's bubble wrap. That's the gift. It's bubble wrap. What? I don't believe it. I love bubble wrap. Let's just go like this. Whoa. Is that the gift?
No.
Oh.
This is the gift.
This is the gift. Oh, it's wrapped so nicely. It's wrapped so nicely, Isa.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready to open it?
Yes. We can't just do that because it's good.
Just tear it open.
Okay. What is it? What is it? What is it? What is this? I don't know what's this. I don't know what's this. What?
It's another box and it says Thomas and Friends. Okay, let's see what's inside, Isa.
Bum, bum, bum.
Bum, ba, ba. Da-da-da-da.
Wow.
What? So many cool things, Isa. What is that?
What?
Thomas and Friends. Thank you for celebrating Thomas' birthday with him. We are so excited to see your videos of singing happy birthday to Thomas. Remember to tag at Thomas and Friends and use the hashtag Thomas and Friends SA. Hashtag happy birthday Thomas. What do you say, Isa?
Happy birthday, Thomas.
Okay, while we're opening here, you can start singing to Thomas. Sing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Thomas. Happy birthday to you. Thomas and Friends cookie.
Yummy.
Yay! And how old is Thomas, Isa?
77.
77? Wow!
So old.
Blow that.
I don't know. And another cookie.
Another cookie. Oh, one for me and one for you. And there's a Thomas train.
Yeah.
Cool.
And another.
And a crane vehicle, so we can play those things together. You can play with Thomas and I can play with the crane. So happy birthday, happy 77th birthday, Thomas. And thank you for all the lovely gifts, Mattel and Thomas and Friends. And check out more of our videos on www.iloveza.com. Follow us on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and we're also on TikTok now. Hashtag iloveza, heart, South African flag. Hashtag after Fajr grind. And I'm Ziyaad, and this is Isa, and
We love Zidane.
we love Zidane.